Making $1,000 monthly with cryptocurrency is definitely achievable, but it requires focus, dedication, and a well-thought-out strategy. There are several ways to reach this goal, including day trading, staking, and swing trading. Day trading involves buying and selling crypto within a short time frame to take advantage of price swings. Staking allows you to earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies. Swing trading involves buying crypto, holding it for a few days or weeks, and selling when the price increases. Use platforms like Binance or Kraken to buy coins when prices dip and sell when they rise. Buy coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, or Solana off them in a staking platform like Binance or Kraken. Pick coins with potential, buy them during market dips, and sell when their value rises. Use price alerts and basic technical analysis to time your moves. Be patient and don't get emotional about market ups and downs. Platforms like Nexo, BlockFi, or Celsius allow you to lend out your crypto and earn interest. Similar to a savings account, deposit your crypto on a lending platform and earn interest over time. Pair this with staking or trading to hit $1,000 faster. Sign up for airdrops on sites like CoinMarketCap or Airdrop.io, or complete small tasks for bounties. The value of these free tokens can add up over time, especially if the project grows in value. Remember, making $1,000 monthly with cryptocurrency requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's essential to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and manage your risk to achieve long-term success. It's essential to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and manage your risk to achieve long-term